Stop wasting time scrolling through your phone and living on autopilot. Stop making excuses and pretending tomorrow will be different. Your life isn't broken, it's just paused. And today is the day you take control. One day, one choice. Do or die. You won't fix everything in 24 hours, but you can fix your direction. You can reset your habits, your focus, and your mindset starting now. Take a piece of paper and write down what's holding you back. Cross it out. End it today. Stop letting it control you. Pick one goal, one mission that truly matters. Start working on it immediately. Not tomorrow, not later. Now. One single day won't change your life completely, but it can change the trajectory of the next 30 days. The question is, are you ready to do what it takes? Step 1. Clean your space. Before you can fix your life, you need to fix your environment. Your surroundings shape your thoughts more than you realize. A messy room, a cluttered desk, or even piles of clothes and trash silently steal your focus and energy every single day. Your mind struggles to think clearly in chaos. Your decisions get slower. Your stress levels rise. And your motivation disappears before it even starts. That's why the very first thing you must do today is clean your space. Start small if needed, but start immediately. Make your bed. Even this tiny action gives your brain a sense of accomplishment. Pick up trash. Put things in order. Organize the items you use every day. Every little action is like sending a signal to your brain: I am in control. I am starting today. Don't see this as just tidying up. This is a declaration of intent. When your environment is clean, your mind can breathe. You can focus. You can plan. You can act. A clean space reduces stress, boosts your energy, and gives you the mental clarity you need to take the next steps. Even something as simple as clearing your desk or arranging your books can make a huge difference. When everything is in order, your brain stops being distracted by small annoyances. Your thoughts become sharper. Your creativity improves. Your willpower strengthens. Remember, this is your foundation. The rest of your day, the rest of your life, even your future, depends on this first step. If you can't manage your immediate environment, you can't manage your goals. Fix your space. Fix your mindset. And then move to the next step. Step 2, mental reset. Once your space is clean, your mind needs a reset. Your brain cannot function at full power while it is cluttered with unspoken worries, bad habits, and endless distractions. This step is all about clarity, honesty, and action. Grab a notebook and a pen. Write down 3 questions. What is holding me back? What habits or thoughts must I stop today? What new habits or actions must I start today? Be brutally honest with yourself. No sugarcoating. No excuses. Your brain has been hiding the truth from you for years. Facing it hurts, but that pain is necessary for growth. Once your list is ready, examine it carefully. Identify habits that are draining your time, energy, and potential. Procrastination, social media scrolling, overthinking, negative self-talk. Decide to cut them out today. Cross them out. Declare that they no longer control you. This exercise is more than writing, it's reclaiming control over your mind. When you know exactly what is holding you back, you can focus your energy where it matters most. Discipline begins here. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is built by repeated, intentional actions. After completing this mental reset, your mind will feel lighter. You'll have clarity. You'll know exactly what is stopping you. And most importantly, you'll know what to do next. This is your launchpad. From here, you will start rebuilding your day, your habits, and eventually your life. Remember, your mind is your most valuable tool. If it's cluttered with doubts, distractions, and chaos, it cannot perform. Reset it. Take control. Start today. A clean space and a clear mind are the first steps to fixing your life in just one day. Step 3, choose one direction. Once your space is clean and your mind is clear, it's time to focus. Most people fail because they try to fix everything at once. They juggle too many goals, too many tasks, and end up achieving nothing. Today, you must pick one direction. One goal that truly matters. One thing that, if accomplished, will change the course of your life. It could be learning a new skill. It could be working on your health. It could be building something meaningful. Do not overthink. Do not wait for the perfect plan. Choose one thing and commit fully. Give it all your energy today. Not tomorrow. Today. When you focus on a single goal, your productivity multiplies. Your brain works faster. Your decisions get sharper. Your motivation increases. Trying to do everything at once only scatters your energy. Focus is your secret weapon. It turns small actions into massive results. Remember, this is not about doing everything. It's about doing the most important thing right now. When you master focus, everything else becomes easier. Step 4. Take immediate action. Now comes the most important step, action. Stop planning endlessly. Stop waiting for motivation or the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The perfect time is today. Pick one action that moves you toward your chosen goal. Read a chapter. Write the first page. Start your workout. Begin learning your skill. Even small steps count. What matters is that you start. Momentum is more powerful than motivation. Once you take action, clarity will follow. Your brain will see progress, and confidence will grow. Do not let fear or hesitation stop you. Action doesn't have to be perfect. It only has to start. You will adjust, improve, and keep moving as you go. This is the principle that separates people who dream from people who achieve. Dreams stay dreams. Actions become reality. Step 5. Reflect and reset for tomorrow. At the end of the day, take a moment to reflect. Write down what you accomplished. Write down what you learned. Write down what you want to improve tomorrow. Even small progress matters. Completing one task, one goal, or one habit today sets the foundation for tomorrow. Reflection is not just looking back, it's planning forward. It shows you what worked and what didn't. It keeps you on track. It sharpens your focus. Remember, one day does not fix your life completely, but it sets the tone. It proves that change is possible. It builds the habit of taking action every single day. Step 6. Reinforce habits and momentum. Consistency is key. Today is only the first day. Tomorrow, repeat the process. Clean your space. Reset your mind. Focus on your one direction. Take action. Reflect. Your life is not changed by one single day. It is changed by repeated, focused action over time. Every day you act, you gain momentum. Every day you improve, you grow stronger, smarter, and more in control. Habits are the building blocks of your future. Build good habits today. Break bad habits today. Every small choice compounds into massive results. Today, you took control. You cleaned your space. You cleared your mind. You chose a direction. You took action. You reflected. That's more than most people do in a lifetime. Remember this: one day won't fix your life completely, but it proves you can act. It proves you can change. It proves you can take control, starting now. The real power is in repetition. Do this tomorrow, and the day after. Consistency turns small actions into huge results. Momentum turns effort into success. So ask yourself, will you keep waiting for the right time? Or will you take action today, every day, until your life changes? The choice is yours. Do or die.